Back here in Washington, President Joe Biden's top science advisor is on his way out. Eric Lander is resigning after an investigation found that he mistreated his staff. He was the director of the Office of Science and Technology Policy, a cabinet rank position. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
Tracy, tonight the White House says that President Biden did not request Eric Lander's resignation. This despite a review that found he bullied staffers and treated them disrespectfully. Now, from the very start of the Biden administration, the president warned he'd fire any staffer on the spot who disrespected others.
Everybody is entitled to be treated with decency and dignity.
A warning on President Joe Biden's first day on the job. And now his top science advisor, Eric Lander, is out. Writing in his resignation letter, "I am devastated that it caused hurt to past and present colleagues by the way in which I have spoken to them." The mathematician and molecular biologist had his position elevated to cabinet rank by President Biden. Just yesterday, it looked like he would keep his job, but not anymore. In the press briefing room today,
it was made clear to him through the course of the day yesterday, I suppose, that he could no longer lead OSTP effectively. And he conveyed that in his letter. The president accepted his resignation.
Meanwhile, President Joe Biden's focus today, American manufacturing jobs. The White House shining a spotlight on companies that are building electric vehicle chargers.
Tritium's new facility is going to produce up to 30,000 of these chargers every year. They'll use American parts, American iron, American steel, and they'll be installed up and down the highways and corridors in our communities all across the country.
Also today, the White House held an event to remind people they need to file their taxes to get money back. That could potentially be thousands of dollars. The Biden administration says the money from the American Rescue Plan helped pull families out of poverty.
If you are eligible for the child tax credit and the earned income tax credit, we want you to get those credits.
And Vice President Kamala Harris called on churches to share the message.
We need faith-based organizations to spread the word at houses of worship.
The U.S. Conference of Catholic Bishops supports making the expanded child tax credit permanent. They say economically vulnerable children need the financial help and that the future of the nation is linked to the well-being of families. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.